Deleting customers in QuickBooks Online can feel time-consuming during cleanup, data correction, or when you are trying to remove test or duplicate customer records. If you need to clean up your customer list, doing it one by one takes time and it is easy to miss something. In this video, I will show you how to delete customers in bulk from QuickBooks Online using SaasAnt. You can filter the customers you want, review them, and remove them in one step instead of opening each record manually. To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today. Now, inside QuickBooks Online, go to Apps, search for SaasAnt, and install it. Approve the connection, and you land SaasAnt dashboard. After logging in and connecting your QuickBooks company with SaasAnt, go to Delete. You will see two options, Delete by searching and Delete by reference. Delete by searching helps you filter and select customers using conditions like date or name. Delete by reference helps you delete customers directly using known names or identifiers. Let's choose Delete by searching. On the filter screen, select Customers as the transaction type. Next, choose your date type. Use created date or last updated date based on what you want to filter. Set your date range to narrow down your customer records. Click Search to load the results. SaasAnt will display the matching customers in a table. Review the results carefully and select the customers you want to delete. You can select multiple customers at once. Before clicking Delete, download a backup of your data. Now click Delete. You will see a confirmation pop-up asking if you want to delete the selected records. SaasAnt will process the deletion and show the result screen. After deletion, you will see the success status along with the deleted records. The deleted data will remain available for download for the next 2 days, so make sure you download it within this time frame. To verify the results, go back to QuickBooks Online. Open your customer list and confirm that the selected customers are no longer active. Delete customers in bulk using SaasAnt instead of opening each record manually in QuickBooks Online. It's ideal for cleanup tasks like removing duplicates or test data. Try it with the free trial in your next workflow.